Good evening. Welcome back to the Drummond channel. It is Tuesday, December 5th, and it's kind of a muted week going into non-farm payrolls on Friday. Probably things will get a little more sluggish Wednesday and probably like watching paint dry on Thursday. But to give targets for the week for crude oil, for the 10-year Treasury note, and also the NASDAQ, and see if we can look where we're going to get that shakeout following the news release, the data dump, and we'll see if we can pick off where those markets are likely to meet resistance or support and turn around. That's the fun part of all this. So stick with me and let's see if we can figure it out. All right, let's start off with crude oil, and as we can see, crude oil is not getting any love right now. It's broken down through all this quarterly PL monthly envelope bottom support. It's breaking down below the weekly envelope bottom, and we're in a daily C wave to the downside. Prices are contained so far in these 1-1s, and there's a monthly 1-1 low right over here. So that is the next stop for some sort of support. But this market looks like it's headed down to the quarterly envelope bottom, as you can see on the monthly chart. And then way down here, just above $50, is the yearly PL. So at this point, anticipating that this market is going to continue to keep moving down, and next level of support is right below us. And should we get through that, then we're going to start looking for this quarterly envelope bottom as the next area of support. Next up is the 10-year Treasury note, and again, huge bar last month, got into monthly congestion, and now we're moving into that area of 2. So congestion tends to find some support or resistance 2 to 3 dots back, and that's kind of where we're at right now. And looking at the weekly, looking at the daily, still a very strong move. Their price has not been contained by any of this resistance, so it's gone through 3 levels of resistance this week and pushing up. Daily charts, daily C wave, PL dot refresh, and now back into a daily C wave up. So I'm anticipating this prices are going to keep heading higher, and again looking for something up in this area for first signs of a weakening in the trend, and possibly a trend reversal and a chance to trade this to the downside. And lastly, for the NASDAQ, we can see on the monthly chart here on the left, that's the PL dot refresh zone for the month. And looking at the weekly and the daily, how these markers are starting to roll over, anticipating that this is going to continue to push down a little bit into this area. Let me draw it in this area here on the weekly chart. So that's the target area for me for this week, is lower prices down towards monthly PL dot support, and then I'm going to look for this market to turn around and start moving higher. Again, there may not be a whole lot going on until Friday morning when they release the non-farm payroll data. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I'll get to them. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.